So hello everyone, in today's video I am gonna show you how you guys can install Metasploitable 2 in your virtual machine. The virtual machine I am using in this video is VMware Workstation Pro. If you guys have not installed VMware in your Windows, then you guys can just go on my channel and watch this video. I have uploaded this video 3 days ago, and I have showed you how you guys can install the latest version of Workstation Pro in 2026. So if you have not installed Workstation, you can watch this video, and for Kali you can just watch this one. Okay, so let's just start this one like this video, I mean, where I'm gonna show you how you guys can install Metasploitable 2. So for that you just need to open any browser. I'm using Edge, and search for Metasploitable 2. You can see the spelling on my Windows. So this is the spelling of Metasploitable 2, and just search Metasploitable 2 and you will load and land on this page. Here is the website link, like sourceforge.net. Use this one and just click on this website and you will land here. Here is the download link. Download latest version, which is of 865 MB. Just double click on that button and you will land on this page, and after 5 seconds your download will be started. So yeah, that's all. And if you go back on this page, so here you can see here is a brief about Metasploitable 2, which is intentionally vulnerable Linux virtual machine. Intentionally, so you guys can conduct security training, test security tools, and practice common penetration testing techniques, right? And here is the main thing: the default login and password is MSF admin. So see you guys after downloadation. So the Metasploitable 2 has been downloaded. Just go on downloads and locate this file, and this will open your file explorer. Just click on Metasploitable and extract all, and this will take few seconds. Just you need to just be patient. Just okay, so it will open a new file automatically. All you need to do is just double click on that folder, and then you will see many files here, but the file of 3 KB is important. You just double click on this and this will automatically load Metasploitable 2 in your VMware, right, in your virtual machine. You can edit this virtual machine actually from here, but this is completely pointless. Okay, so it has been loaded, and okay, so here you can see here's a login page. Wait, I will show you something. So here is the default login password, MSF admin and MSF admin, and you can see it right here also. Log in with MSF admin and MSF admin. Just write MSF admin and the password is same, MSF admin, and you will be logged in, right? This is easy, right? This is not hard. Okay, so if you face any problem related to cursor, then you can click on control plus alt, right, and you will see your cursor again. And if the problem will be continued, and then you can just go on upgrade this virtual machine and select anything above 16. I'm going to select 17, right, and next, alter and finish. Well, there is no need to do this actually, because we are not going to do anything with the cursor in Metasploitable 2, but still if you like feel itchy that you are not able to see your cursor, then you can do it always. Well, that's all for today, and this is my Instagram account. Sorry, this is my Instagram account, Sam Cybersec, same as my YouTube username. You can just DM me there, and I will be replying to your messages and doubts. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. That's all. Take care, guys. Good night. It's 12:57. Nice.